These are the basic body positions we have. Number 1, we say is standing. Say standing.
Standing.
Number 2, we say is sitting. Say sitting.
Sitting.
Number 3, we say is kneeling. Say kneeling.
Kneeling.
And number 4, we say is lying. Everybody say lying.
Lying.
Good. Now stand up and clap for yourself. Good. Now let's go back to our position. Don't sit down. Don't sit down. Come out. Come out. You know, this is physical and health education. So what we'll be doing is we'll be moving our body. We sang a song, my head, my shoulders, my knees, my toes. Now that song shows you and tells you that there are basic parts of the body we use for movement. Number 1 is your hand. Number 2 is your leg. Number 3, you use your head for movement. Number 4, you use your waist for movement. Is that okay? Yes. So these are some of the bodies we use for, parts of the bodies we use for what? Movement. Now, next thing we will talk about is the types of movements we have. Number 1, we have locomotive movement. Everybody say locomotive movement.
Locomotive movement.
Say locomotive movement. Stay at a place. Good. Now stop playing so that we learn and go. Say locomotive movement.
Locomotive movement.
Listen to me. When you move from one place to another, we call it locomotive movement. What did I say? When you move from one place to another, we call it locomotive movement. What are the examples of locomotive movement? Number 1, walking. Okay, walk to me, children. Walk up to me, children. Go. This is what? Locomotive movement. Come back, come back. Come. Now, run back to your position. Go. Now, hello. Hello, children. Hello, children.
Hello, teacher.
Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Good. We have given 2 examples of locomotive movement. 1 is walking. Don't walk. Number 2 is running. Don't run. Is that okay? Yeah. Then the next one is leaping. Now leap to me, children. Leap. You don't know how to leap. Oh, no. Go back. Leap. Let me see. Leap. Leap now. No, that is not leaping. Good. She is getting it. Good. 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 That is leaping. Did you see it? Did you see it? Leap back to your position. Good. These are examples of locomotive movement. These are examples of locomotive movement. Is that okay? The next type of movement we have is non-locomotive. Everybody say non-locomotive.
Non-locomotive.
Say non-locomotive.
Non-locomotive.
Now, in non-locomotive, you move in one position. Is that okay? In non-locomotive, you move in one position. Is that okay? Every movement you make, you stay at a place. Okay, look at me. Children, 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 children. Okay, let us make a non-locomotive movement. Do as I do. What am I doing? I am stretching. Say stretching. Say stretching. Oh yeah, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. It's an example of non-locomotive. It's an example of non-locomotive movement. Okay, look at me again. Look at me again. What am I doing? I am bending. I am bending. Don't play. Favor. Don't play.
Look at your head.
Don't play. Okay, you see, I am bending. So bending is a non-locomotive movement. Is that okay? Stop playing. Okay, let us take another example. Okay, let us push the wall. 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 Are you pushing it?
Yes.
You see, pushing is a non-locomotive movement. Is that okay? Yes. Okay, now Favor come. Look at Favor. I am pulling Favor. I am pulling Favor. So pulling is another non-locomotive movement. So we mentioned that non-locomotive movements are movements we make in a place. Okay? Now, shh, don't make noise. Now start a place. Stay. Good. We say that non-locomotive movements are movements we make staying in one position. They include stretching, bending, pushing, and what? Pulling. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Good. Let us talk about manipulative movement. Manipulative movement. Hello, children.
Hello.
I hope we are following. Now, manipulative movements are movements we make with our hands. Manipulative movements are movements we make with our manipulative movements are movements we make with our say hands. Say hands.
Hands.
Now show me your hands.
Look at my hands.
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 Good. What are the examples of manipulative movement? Favor, this is an orange. Take it. Now throw the orange to me. Good. Favor just threw an orange to me. So throwing is what? A manipulative movement. Throwing is a manipulative movement. Say throwing, everybody.
Throwing.
Throwing. Say throwing.
Throwing.
Good. Favor, take the orange. Good. Throw it again to me. Favor throws the orange and I caught the orange. So the word caught is past tense for catch. Everybody say catch.
Catch.
So when you throw, you catch. When you throw, you catch. So the two basic manipulative movements we have are throwing and catching. Everybody say throwing
Throwing.
and say throwing
Throwing.
and catching.
Catching.
These are the two basic manipulative movements. Let's talk about creative rhythm and movement. Creative movements are interesting sounds and movements made by people, animals, or things when they move. Example, when a car moves, it makes the sound zoom. Zoom. Everybody say zoom. That is the sound a car makes when it moves. Is that okay? When a train moves, what you hear is quack, 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 quack. And the train moves on a railway. When a snake moves, the snake moves in a zigzag form. The snake moves like this. The snake moves like this. Are you getting it? That is the movement a snake moves. When a monkey, everybody say monkey. How many of you have seen a monkey before? When a monkey moves, the monkey does what? It hops, 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 hops. Is that okay? Good. And when a horse moves, a horse gallops. Get him, 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 get him. Okay, children. I hope you're happy. Clap for yourself. Okay, that is where we'll end it for today. Hope you enjoyed today's class. If you enjoyed today's class, say, I enjoyed today's class. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.